Hey y'all, welcome back to the box Trix. In this video, I'm going to explain how to install MX Player and VLC Player. You will need a Gmail account, so if you don't have one, go ahead and pause the video. And it's easier to do it on a computer, a tablet, a phone, something like that, versus trying to do it on the box. But if you have a Gmail account, let's go ahead and move on. You will need to go to your Google Play Store. There is an icon on this particular box on the home screen. Also, you can find your Google Play Store in your apps, which if you click into apps, just look for the Play Store. But go ahead and open the Google Play Store. It's going to ask you to sign in. And you're going to need to enter your email address and your password. All right, while you're signing in, you're going to put your email address, and then you're going to select accept or go, and then you're going to enter your password, and then you're going to select accept or go. And then after that, you're going to hit accept twice. And then it's going to open the Google Play Store for you. So you want to go up here in the search box, and you're going to type in MX Player. Now you don't want the Pro unless you want to pay for it, but go ahead and select MX Player. And you want to go ahead and select Install. And just bear with it while it installs. Okay, so once it's done installing, you can select open just to make sure that it doesn't ask you for any permissions to use your device. See, it's gonna go ahead. If you get this pop-up box, select allow. All right, so from here, just go ahead and hit your backup button. And we're going to go in and install VLC Player also. So go back up to your search box and enter in VLC Player. All right, go ahead and select install. And again, just bear with it while it's installing. All right, once it's done, go ahead and select open. And in the lower right-hand corner, go ahead and select the arrow. You want to select allow. Just go ahead and select the arrow in the lower right-hand corner and select done. And now you can go ahead and just back out again, and you can go back to your home screen. So when you open the TBT app and when you select on a network that you want to watch, if you hold down your OK button, it's going to give you a little pop-up box. You can select either play with MX Player or VLC Player. So that is basically it. That's how you install MX Player and VLC Player on an Android box. If you guys have any questions, please drop us a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and give us a thumbs up if this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.